Up next, we have Nathan James B. Rondina. Nathan will present Atin Kupong Singsing, a cherished Kapampangan folk song that title means I Once Had a Ring, symbolizing love, loss, and longing. Deeply rooted in Pampanga's heritage, this melody becomes even more emotional and expressive when brought to life through the violin. Please all welcome and let's all give him a round of applause, Nathan James B. Rondina.